What's up, guys? Guerrilla Fabrication out here, Off-Road Expo 2018, day one, baby. Woo! If you ever get into the side by side. Like a bad man running through my veins. Everything that's justice of you. Don't look for direct success. Everything can you be? It's in the things that you want, like a sucker of me. And again, you from the race, like that's the pain.